Hello everyone, and welcome to Unit 1 of our course on Communication Policy and Planning. Hi, this is Dr. Benigno B. Agapito Jr. Today we are going to take a look at the scholastic space of policy sciences. So what exactly are policy sciences? Policy sciences is an interdisciplinary area that centers on understanding, establishing, and advocating processes of policy making. It merges insights and perspectives from various fields like politics, finances, social organizations, management, and the like, including the world of communication, which main goal is to analyze and develop efficient and operational policies. Let's discuss in a few words the fundamental sections of policy sciences. First, we have the problem identification. Here, it implies the recognition and description of the issues or concerns that need to be attended to. Next is policy formulation, where the development of the potential solutions and strategies comes in. Then right after that process, policy implementation transpires, which brings about setting or translating those strategies into action. Finally, the process of policy evaluation, where the appraisal or review of the efficiency and usefulness of the policies is considered for the possible adjustment and realignment. To exemplify and demonstrate the fundamental sections of policy sciences, let's take one common issue in communication that policy sciences need to address is misinformation and disinformation. In the problem identification stage, we recognize the rapid spread of false or misleading information, especially through digital platforms or social media, which causes major trouble to public trust, public knowledge or opinion, and societal stability. During policy formulation, we might develop strategies that can help address this problem. First, crafting regulations or guidelines for social media postings to ensure responsible content moderation. Second, developing public policies that improve or enrich media literacy and critical thinking of the people. Third, fostering transparency in the use of algorithms to determine which content is shown to users. In the policy implementation stage, these strategies are translated into practice through guidelines and programs which might aim to balance freedom of expression while avoiding the damaging effects of false information. Finally, in the policy evaluation stage, we evaluate the results and make some necessary adjustments to fully improve the policies. Having a full understanding of policy sciences is really essential and central for successful communication policy and planning. It helps us construct and produce reasonable, strategic, and strong policies that perfectly guide and deliver the needs of the society. In the upcoming discussions, we will tackle and discover components in a more comprehensive and all-inclusive approach. This is for us to learn how to apply these concepts in our respective professional works. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to policy sciences. Don't miss the next lecture. See you there!